Hello friends, welcome to Fun Reading Time. Do you want to learn to read stories and understand sentences all by yourself? Today we will practice reading simple sentences, sight words, and rhyming words to help you become a super reader. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's start with some easy sentences. Read along with me. I see a red ball. The sun is bright. We play in the park. My cat likes to jump. Great job! Now, let's see if you understand what we read. Here's a fun question. Where do we play? That's right! We play in the park. Let's keep reading. Now, let's learn some sight words. These are words we see again and again when we read. Let's practice together.
You. Can. We. Go. This.
Now, let's use these words in sentences. Read after me. You can jump high. We love to sing. This is my book. Can we play outside? Go to the park with me.
You can jump high. We love to sing. This is my book. Can we play outside? Go to the park with me.
Great job! Sight words help us become better readers. Now, let's have fun with rhyming words. Rhyming words sound alike at the end. Let's try some together. Cat, hat, bat.
What rhymes with the word cat? Cat, hat, bat.
Dog, log, frog.
What rhymes with the word dog? Dog, log, frog.
Sun, fun, run.
What rhymes with the word sun? Sun, fun, and run.
Tree, base, sea.
What rhymes with the word tree? Tree, bee, and sea.
Great job! Rhyming words help us read faster and remember words better. Now, let's read some sentences with rhyming words. The cat sat on the mat. The dog sat on a log. The bee flew to the tree. I love to run in the sun. Awesome! Rhyming makes reading fun and easy. Keep practicing. Now that we know our sight words and rhyming words, let's read a little story. In the woods, there was a fox hiding behind some rocks. He wore a red sock and carried a small clock. One day, he met a hawk while taking a quiet walk. The hawk said, "Let's have a talk." So they sat near the dock. The fox found a box full of cheese and locks. With a smile, he picked a lock and danced around the block. The fox heard a loud knock. It was a hen with her flock. "Let's race to the dock," and off they ran. Tick-tock. The fox was quick as a flash and finished first with a mighty dash. The animals cheered. "What a trick! You are so fast and slick." The fox just gave a little grin, for he knew he'd always win. Wasn't that a fun story? Did you hear all the rhyming words? Try saying them again.
Fox, rocks, clock, dock, flock.
You are doing an amazing job. Let's finish with a quick review. Wow, you did an amazing job today. You practiced reading simple sentences, learning sight words, rhyming words, reading a short story. Give yourself a big round of applause. Before you go, tell me in the comments, what was your favorite rhyming word today? What do you love about reading? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next reading adventure. Bye-bye.
B. Go. I'm deleting everything. So, Mummy, don't just say those words.
Yes, so I deleted something.
Because it's bad. Let be quiet! Okay. Number 3, 2, 1, go. You can we go
You deleted it again?
Yep. It's so bad, Mummy.
Don't get to when your phone ring and sit me.
Okay, wait. Shush, I'm doing it again. Shush, right now. We go. We